All right, guys. So we already talked about the diminishing returns each passing cycle, but this time I wanted to share something a little different with you. So this right here is the banner cycle. Most people have never seen this before, but it's a really old cycle where this guy Banner studied in the 1900s. He studied the cycles of the market back then. All right, and he came up with this not a theory, but this roadmap. All right, so this is not like a trading system in itself. This is just like a roadmap for you to kind of have an idea of what's going on, and it's tracking cycles, right? And so this has been going on for over 100 years. The back history of it, right? And it's been correct a lot, right? Like more than enough for you to consider this just going forward if you haven't seen it before. And just immediately you see just the most recent crash. As you see the 81, there was a huge depression there, the 99 crash that took out the entire dot-com bubble, and then the 2020 crash, right? Okay, it was triggered by COVID, but right, which was like a black swan event, but still, as you can see, it was registered here over 100 years ago. It was this guy Banner predicted that at the end of 2019 there would be a huge crash. Okay, so the next huge crash is predicted to be around 2035, right? Now, this also tells you when the market bottoms out, not when. Let me be very clear. Okay, this is not a trading system. Okay, this is just a little roadmap because there is a cyclical nature to the markets, and this guy Banner figured out his own rhythm, right? Which is all in here, and you can analyze it in detail. Right now, I just wanted to share with you the cherry picking dates that kind of match our thinking here in the crypto game, right? So, predicted the 2020 crash, all right? And it's telling us 2023 is the year to load up. Okay, you can see here. This is the year to load up on assets. Being crypto the best asset in the world, right? So if this is correct, this will be the year where the prices will be the most depressed, and then we will have a golden bull run back all the way into 2026. So based on the 4-year cycle of Bitcoin, this kind of matches it, right? So we would be expecting the market top to be around 2025, maybe even 2026. So this goes right into, this fits right into our analysis that we've done before. Okay, you can see the previous videos where we'll look into this. This all matches it. So I think it's just a great little piece of information for you to keep in your back pocket and to help navigate this idea of cycles, because if you're not a very experienced investor, this may not come to you so easily, this idea of the cyclicality of markets. Now, the bad news in this chart is right here. The top is being called around 2026, so 25, 26. And then there will be, just based on this chart, okay, just based on this, the Banner chart here, there will be a 6-year massive bear market, okay, that will end in 2032. Okay, so this will be 6 years of pain. All right, just predicted right here on this chart. And I want to really like rub your nose in this information, because if this is correct, I mean, you can look at the past history of this thing, right? This has been done in 1875, right? That's when, this is the guy's signature right here. That's when this theory, this roadmap, and this chart were designed. So you can see over 100 years of data here. And it's been correct on a lot of it, on most of it, actually, okay? So if this is correct, there will be a huge 6-year bear market where it will be incredibly hard for you to make money while trading the traditional markets. So that just goes to show you really need to go hard on this cycle, right? And I really think most investors are loading up and really being very aggressive on this next cycle, because it will be really the probably the last opportunity of your lifetime to make like huge gains. Okay, maybe not your lifetime, but maybe for another 10 or 20 years or something. You know what I mean? Until the next big thing comes up, because crypto really was the massive thing, but we already have 3 cycles behind us. This will be the 4th cycle, right? The 4th push. So it's diminishing returns land, and really now if you want to get rich off of it, you really need to go into altcoins, and you really need to do a lot of research, and be a little lucky too. Okay, but this map will help you navigate it, and I just want you to really look at this, really stare the 6 years of bear market in the face. Okay, and you tell me. Okay, when 2025, 2026 comes, right, and hopefully you take profit at the top and you make a bunch of money, right? Will you be satisfied, and will your bags be heavy enough to carry you for the next 6 years until the next big opportunity comes into the market? Okay, because this will be a huge bear market. Okay, and looking at all the other indicators that we have on the S&P 500 and such. And all of this monetary policy, this modern stuff of printing money ad infinitum, and just when something breaks, just print more money and cover that hole with new money. Okay, we know this is doomed for failure, and I think 6 years could go a long way at helping alleviate a lot of the trouble. So yeah. A lot of the traditional, the big guys in traditional finance have been expecting a huge bear market, and this could possibly be it, right? So fingers crossed. And again, guys, just I really wanted to emphasize, if your bags are large enough to carry you for the next 6 years of the bear market after we top. Okay, we're already thinking of the next cycle, right? Like. The 4th is already pretty well defined. We already have a good plan for it. We're already thinking about the 5th. Okay. So that being said, we'll continue to do some updates, but I just wanted you to really consider your life options and bag size really going forward. All right, guys, catch you on the next one.